USB document camera. Go live on your iPhone. It can also be shown on TV. Also available in PC Google Meet. In the same way, it's the same with USB microscopes. The same goes for DJI Pocket 3. Hello everyone, we were doing nature teaching at school. This type of USB microscope is often used, or this kind of USB document camera. Usually, you'll have to have one of these computers. You just plug it in like this, and then let's say, is this a documented camera? I will follow the book. Just open the software on your computer. Live video is from this camera, rendered on this computer. It has to be attached to this computer. When you're going to project onto this TV, you're going to connect this HDMI to the TV. This is the time for this. The computer's image will be projected onto your TV. You can project it to your children. We are talking about a document camera like this, or something like that. USB microscope. Do you have to be attached to a computer? Can I not use a laptop? I'll just go straight to it. This kind of picture goes straight to this TV. Is it okay like this? I'm going to introduce a very special product today. USB camera streaming adapter. USB webcam input. It can HDMI output. You can also record it. There is no problem with the output of the UVC. Okay, let's connect his power supply first. You can use this. There is no problem with the power bank. DC 5 voltage input. You see this light is on. Then place this USB document camera. There's a webcam in connected here. Enter. Then you will see that this light will appear blue. Expression. This document camera. The connection to this device has been successful. You'll be able to connect to the TV. HDMI exports. Television will show live video. You see. We are now connected over short distances. You're watching TV right next to us. Over here. So if I'm going to do a long distance connection today, if the TV is over there when it's time, I can't turn it into a wireless HDMI output. No problem. This is a video transmission device that converts HDMI to wireless. It's just two lines. It's very simple. One of them. You've seen a computer like this over here. We are going to unplug the original one. Then connect it up. Then this thing needs power. The power supply is connected to this place. He became wireless. That's it. Then this is the receiving end. The receiver can be connected to this TV on the back end over there. This one is for TV. We'll connect the interface. This requires power. You can connect, either add this power supply or connect it to the TV of USB port. He'll provide the power. So let's turn on the TV and take a look. He will see this symbol. He'd probably wait a dozen seconds. His side will be automatically connected. You see, the line has succeeded. You see it's smooth. If I don't want to use a USB document camera right now, I switch to this USB microscope. That's no problem. I'll just take this. The place of the source. Webcam in place to unplug it. Then replace it with this USB microscope. This interface will do this. Connect up. The source of the video at this time is going to become a microscope. Look, I'm shining on the wings of this butterfly right now. It's changing too. You see, oh, I'm now on a USB microscope. It's converted to a wireless HDMI output. Can I connect to the computer at this time? For example, I'm going to do a Google Meet live stream now. Look, this converter has one over here. UVC bips output. Then I'll just connect this UVC output to mine. The computer is ready to use. This is a USB-A to a cable. That's how it was connected. Just connect to the computer. That's when I turn on this one on my computer again. Google Meet. OBS can be used. Initiation. Select this. Good voices can also be turned on. No problem, you see. Google Meet at this time is with my TV. It can be used at the same time. He can also make a video. There's a video here, but I'm now recording. Port power is for wireless D. I'm giving this HDMI. This wireless video transmission is used. Then if you're going to pick up another one today, this USB port which is connected externally. You might add a hub and you're good to go. Give this hub like this. Plug it in. And then this one plugs in. This is the original one, where HDMI is powered. Just wait a minute. There are also a lot of interfaces. I'm going to connect this memory card. Oh, it's Samsung's memory card. The connection comes in like this. This is when you see this converter. Where is the output? And then this output of the UVC. You can also make a video recording. Just press it down. This place. There's a red button to press. Press it. If you press it, there will be a red light on this side. There's a red light here. Mean, he's managed to record this one. It's time to take it with you. So at the same time, UVC output. Where is the output? There's also a video recording of this SSD card. I've now switched to a USB file camera again. You see. You can also do video recording here. The video red light came on. To end the recording, press it again. Wait until he's done. After flashing, you can unplug it. It's not over yet. You can unplug it now. No problem. This is a different kind of file camera. The same can be used in OBS or Google Meet. Then it becomes wireless HDMI. Do you think there is such a feature? Wrong, we can still be here. Live streaming on iPhone. You see we have one on this converter here. Output of iOS. I just need to connect one on the iOS output side. USB cables. Then we connect to the iPhone again. But iPhone just have Lightning interface. Then we're going to prepare one of these. Apple Lightning to USB camera adapter. Connect in. This is when your microscope or document camera. It is also possible to do live streaming on your iPhone. Then open your app. Media link switcher. Then add iCapture and you're good to go. You see, there's live video. No problem. You look at the same time. iPhone. On TV. Work on laptop, Google Meet. This is a USB camera. The video converter is very powerful. At the same time, we can make your USB document camera, USB microscope, or HDMI output at the same time. Also connect this to your iPhone to do live streaming. There's also Google Meet that connects to your PC. You can record a video. There's a video here. You can watch it here. In addition to these teachings that are seen now, except these cameras, what DJI Pocket 3 can also be connected to. There is no problem. All the same, you can do the same thing.